Welcome to the Odyssey Condominium in the heart of Arlington Courthouse neighborhood. This is Unit 314. True pride of ownership in this kitchen. Wonderful counter space with granite in your undermount sink. Beautiful maple cabinets. And I want you to check this out. There are 7 usable drawers in here. 7. That is not common in a condominium. Stainless steel appliances with your built-in microwave and your stove range. The new owner will love how this kitchen opens up into the dining area and into the living area. It just flows so smoothly. This spacious bedroom will thoroughly be enjoyed by the new owner. A space for a desk, any size bed will fit with nightstands, and you will love the attached bathroom that can be accessed by the bedroom and by your guests in the hall. Another thing that is so nice about living downtown and being in Arlington near all the shops and all the fun places, this is something you are going to love. You do not have to go down the hall to do your laundry. It's right here. You will love living at the Odyssey full service luxury condominium in Arlington. We right now are at the Rooftop Deck, which is amazing. I want you to look at this view of Arlington and into D.C. Yes, that is the Washington Monument. It is just beautiful up here. You have outdoor seating and places to grill. Up above inside is the fitness center. Thank you for taking this tour of our lovely unit in the Odyssey Condominium in Arlington. For more information, please reach out to the Nellis Group.